This is the inaugural Unity Expo. This is Stuttgart in Germany, and I'm standing in front of the International Exhibition Center. Unity Expo is featuring 344 exhibitors from 29 countries, and we're going to go inside and talk to them, find out what they're thinking about this new initiative for our industry and what sort of new products and innovations they're showcasing here at this event.
I first have to say that I must give a big compliment to the organization of Unity.
We were not expecting that much quality of visitors actually.
The decision to go away from auto mechanic here to Stuttgart to the Unity Expo was really the right one.
We are very pleased with the feedback, with the customer visits, and we're hopefully coming back in 2 years' time.
Peter van der Gaag is Vice President of Sales, EMEA for Franklin Fueling Systems. And Franklin Fueling Systems is a sponsor of this video review from Unity Expo. So Unity Expo seems to be a very important thing for Franklin. Why is that?
It definitely is, because, well, as you know, in the past it was Frankfurt. That was the exhibition for us. We all know why there were changes. So, to be honest, we had some concerns. Is this new one typical German? But we see also with the visitors we have, international. We have people from Europe, Middle East, Africa, Scandinavia, from everywhere. So till today it's a great success, and I think we can say the same on Friday, a great success overall.
So what are the products that you're exhibiting here at Unity Expo on this stand?
You see we have a wide range of products here. First of all, I want to start with our T550 EVO fuel management system. Not just a tank gauge, it's really a management system. Also today we have a presentation during the conference about it. Alex Boody will tell more about it. It's really an upgrade for the market. For example, a thing that is brand new for us is the Modbus communication, and that's really a protocol for the industry. So that's relatively new for the exhibition for now. We have also the Calibri, that's a tank gauge system. If we go further around, well, you see also at our stand the heavy petrol submersible pumps, fixed speed, variable speed. But also nowadays a special pump made for AdBlue. Two models, 1.5 horsepower and 2 horsepower.
Becoming more and more important, AdBlue, isn't it?
AdBlue, especially we're in Germany now. Yeah. But of course, as you probably know, especially in Germany, it's getting more important. But we see the AdBlue trend all over Europe. We may say we are ready for AdBlue in Europe all over the world. So also for the US, they call it DEF. Yeah. Let me think further. We have also more products. Of course, our UPP piping systems. And I say by purpose systems, because not only piping is only a part of it. We have double wall, single wall, tank sumps, dispenser sumps. Also a new system, we call it the Nexus. That's really a shallow sump, really made for special markets, complete assembled. You will see it also on the stand, really a new product available in the market. Let me say the next step. We have also flexing. Stainless steel flexibles with all kinds of dimensions, all kinds of lengths, from 1/2 inch up to 3 inch, smaller lengths from 50 centimeters up to 1/2 meter, elbow, straight, so a wide range of products. Then we have also new for this exhibition, we call it the Fender series. That's a spill container. It's coming up also nowadays in Europe, that model of spill container. And then of course, as you probably know, we have our service station hardware like shear valves, overfill protection valves, caps. So that's our range of products that we have.
So they complement each other, that product range. It's a total
exactly.
concept.
You hit the point, because that's the thing we're presenting here. We feel ourselves in the meantime, and I think that's proven also by others, a total solution supplier. We offer a total system solution. And with total, I mean a total package, as you see at our stand. A system, it's really a combined system, also with the software connected with each other. And the solution, we feel that we are a solution provider, and we see with customers already that we have proven that we can do that. We're really a total system solution provider.
Thank you very much again, Peter, and see you soon.
You're welcome. Thank you very much, and hope to see you next time.
Orpak is an Israeli company, headquartered close to Tel Aviv actually, and Orpak is a global leader when it comes to vehicle identification systems, but there is actually much more than that, and I'm talking to Schrager Katz, who is the Vice President of Sales. Schrager, can you tell me a little bit more about what Orpak does?
Yes, thank you, Sandra. Orpak is basically a global leading provider of integrated solutions and services for the retail petroleum industry and for commercial fleets. In retail, we provide station automation and retail IT management solutions such as Forecourt controller, point of sale, back office, head office systems, along with our mostly known vehicle identification system. And on top of that, we provide business intelligence, BI and analytics on top. For the commercial fleets, we provide fuel and fleet management solutions.
And why is Orpak actually exhibiting at Unity Expo? What is the reasoning behind that?
Well, we decided to be here in Unity Expo because we see a growing demand for the Orpak solutions and services, especially in recent time. If you look at the marketplace, you can see that the classical MOCs who are divesting their investments, and now you see that there are newly emerging regional and MOC players that are now looking to rationalize their IT management systems. And what we see is that instead of managing so many systems from so many vendors across so many countries, they want to move into a single leading industry platform that is fully integrated end-to-end, which includes a POS, a back office and a head office, and on top of that BI and analytics, which I mentioned earlier.
So Orpak is also offering solutions for commercial fleets. Can you tell me a bit more about that?
Yes, that's very much correct. What we're doing here is we are offering our fleet offering, which is based on our fuel management systems, the Cytomat Gold and the Fuelomat Gold, which is our vehicle identification system, along with our GPS tracking telematics system, which provide together fuel and fleet integrated management solution.
Thank you very much. Tada.
Bevakasha. That means welcome in Hebrew.
Particular highlights from Gilbarco Veeder-Root included Insight 360, Gilbarco Veeder-Root's unique next-generation wet stock management service, and the TLS-4 automatic tank gorging and leak detection system. From its fuel dispenser range, Gilbarco Veeder-Root displayed its AdBlue for Cars dispenser, demonstrating its commitment to introducing environmentally friendly solutions to the forecourt. Gilbarco Veeder-Root also introduced the ATEX PSI-4 approved FlexPay M10, a wireless handheld forecourt controller for attended operations, and the PCI-4 certified M7, its latest pay-at-pump platform. This is the Hectronic booth. Stefan Forster, how important is Unity Expo for Hectronic?
Good morning, Sandra. The Unity show is very important for us. Automechanica has always been our main international show where we can demonstrate our innovations to an international audience, and therefore it's very important. We're glad to be here. It's a nice new hall, a lot of space and plenty of visitors, so we're very glad to be here.
And nice lighting, isn't it?
Definitely. So it's a really different atmosphere and we very much appreciate that.
And have you launched any new products, especially for Unity Expo, that can be seen on your booth today?
Yes, as always for this show, Automechanica or now Unity, we show innovations. We have especially two. On the one hand side, we show our new gauge. It's a little bit smaller, it's only 1 inch in diameter, and the speciality is that we aim to measure quality. So not only the content, the level that is in the tank, but also the quality. That's especially interested for biodiesel, for biofuels, the E5, C10s. Our customers would like to know how much water is dissolved in these diesels or gasolines, and I think this is a very interesting innovation for our customers. Maybe on the second, I may also say there we have an innovation on our OPTs, our payment terminals. Besides these PCI requirements, we also show payment methods with PayPal. PayPal allows to pay at the terminal without the need of a terminal, therefore quite an easy and efficient possibility to pay your gasoline or your diesel at the station.
Thank you very much, Stefan.
It was very nice talking to you. Thank you.
I'm working in Mepsan company. We do manufacture dispensers, automation systems, and a complete solution for petrol stations. And the Unity is very, very important for us. We were not expecting that much quality of visitors actually. Maybe the numbers are equally, the same as the Automechanica, but here the quality of the visitors are so good. The people knows actually what they are looking for. When they came here, they are ready for everything. They have a list of questions. They are just, planned for everything, which is important for us. Because most of the time, exhibitions, you go there, but half of the visitors is just, taking catalogs, pens and stuff. They're just asking simple questions, but they don't interest too much. They just come and spend some, time. But here, this time, Unity, they made a very, very good job actually to invite the quality of the visitors. We need to, all of them are, congratulate the organizers.
It's a pleasure for us to be here. DATATRONIC is specialized in producing RFID systems. This is contactless identification. And that's the reason why we are showing our newest product, which is a nozzle reader and is reading the tag on the vehicle. So the vehicle is identified, not just the driver. That means that if you want to make sure that only your vehicles are refueled, you better use Blue Tank, which is our product. The Blue Tank reader is fixed on any kind of nozzle, is working with a Bluetooth communication and uses the newest RFID technology, which is UHF. So we have a chance to control reading distance and have a read and write option. So we can write to the tag and we have a complete communication to make sure that only authorized vehicles are refueled.
Petrotec was one of the early adopters of this new concept. I think we were third or fourth or fifth booking the space. There was a big discussion within the industry for quite a long time of the previous exhibition, and this one fulfills a need from all the manufacturers, all the exhibitors. And just 6 hours since we start this exhibition, and I think it's already a success. Everybody is quite happy, nice booths, nice products. We meet faces we know from the industry for a long time. The conferences are being quite well visited, the themes are quite good, so I really think it's a success.
At Unity Expo, PMP were highlighting replacement parts for Veeder-Root TLS 300 and 350 tank monitors, including TCP IP interface modules, RS-232 interface modules, keypad boards, Gilbarco monochrome displays, valve repair kits. And PMP Remanufacturing Parts such as Gilbarco meters including echo meters, Gilbarco wane and gas bow valves, wane meters including X-flow meters. Jörg Heilingbrunner, you're the managing director of Scheidt and Bachmann, but you're also the chairman of the CECOT. And so what does Unity Expo mean for CECOT and for Scheidt and Bachmann?
Well, the Unity Expo is one of the biggest events dedicated for this industry. And as CECOT, we decided about 1 year ago to support this trade fair, and we are very pleased with the feedback, with the customer visits, and we're hopefully coming back in 2 years' time.
It was the right decision then?
Definitely, definitely. It wasn't easy for us because we didn't want a national trade fair in Germany. We expected a European or an international trade fair, and at the end of the day, that's what it was about. It's an international trade fair covering not only the technical manufacturers, but also convenience and, of course, the final customers, the oil industries.
And what sort of innovations are you showing at your booth today?
Basically, we have a couple of innovations at our booth. Number one is we have an upgrade of our existing point of sale system, but I think even more important, we have started introducing mobile payments via apps, so it's called Fuel and Go. And we are staying at the Beacon Walk, which is a very interesting and very innovative project which we will apply in the future.
What is the Beacon Walk?
Well, the Beacon Walk is basically a concept generating additional customer awareness, and it starts at the forecourt, at, let's say, where you fuel your car, and it will lead you through the shop, and it increases the customer loyalty and respectively the turnover at your petrol station.
And how does it work?
Yeah, basically it starts at the forecourt. You get a signal on your mobile phone, just giving you a push notification, and then it will provide you with a promotion, and then it will lead you on the second step into the store, and you've got various opportunities in the store. So for example, one is you will be able to identify products which we are on the shelf. So for example, if you need the exact motor oil, and the app knows what kind of car you're driving, so you don't have to look around, so you get it very easily. And secondarily, you can get other promotions, so you get coffee or any other convenience products which will be addressing your needs, because this app is actively learning about your behavior and helps you to be directly marketed.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bonjour Baudouin, it's really nice to see you here. How is it going for Tokheim here at Unity Expo?
Hi Sandra, it's good to see you again. Look, we have a very busy stand, new venue, everything's going well. We're very happy with the number of customers and partners and distributors we've seen. So far so good.
So what is the overall theme for Tokheim here?
So it's really about value and performance. So we are talking about lifetime, cost to the customer, and performance over the life of the dispenser or the systems or the stations. And what we are showing here is the breadth and the scope of our activities. It covers service, systems, and dispensers and equipment. We have some specific areas where we display key solutions like Fairbanks, our fuel loss management system. We also have an area dedicated to ProFleet, which is our solutions to the fleet and commercial activities. And the rest is really about equipment and the traditional pumps and dispensers of Tokheim.
And I understand Tokheim has launched a completely new product, especially for Unity Expo. What is that all about?
Yeah, we decided to add one of the missing building blocks of our system solutions. And we launched yesterday ProGauge. ProGauge is a suite of basically tank solutions from gauges and consoles all the way to technology that allows to calibrate the tanks with laser technology. And it was a big launch. It was a big move for Tokheim. And we feel now that we can bring solutions that go end-to-end to the customers from the ground up to the head office systems.
So the total solution?
The total solution, absolutely.
Merci beaucoup, Baudouin.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Damien, it's great to have you here at Unity Expo. How's the show going for Wayne, and what does it mean for Wayne to be here?
Oh, well, thank you very much. It's great to be talking this afternoon to PetrolPlaza. For Wayne Fueling Systems, it's a great privilege to be here. This, of course, is the first Unity Expo for us and for the industry. I think as a company, and I think as an industry indeed, that we were looking for something that was more focused and tailored for our specific segment. So far so good. I mean, the traffic has been really good through the stands yesterday, busier today. Particularly like the seminar programs, that's something that we were looking for as a company, to be able to talk about in more detail some of the new products and the new technology and some of the drivers that's happening in our industry. So I think that balance of something that's focused for our industry, and areas where we can dig into more detail around the technology through a seminar and through talking sessions, off to a good start. And the traffic, as I said at the beginning, has been very good. Lots of people visiting the stand, and lots of exciting things going on. So very good start for us.
That's great to hear. Great to hear you're enjoying the show. So have you got any new products that you would like to show our readers?
We have. Wayne always comes to these exhibitions with a good pipeline of products that we're launching. 2 years ago we started the launch of our Helix product range, our family, at Automechanica, and I'm pleased to say that journey really has completed at Unity this year. We have the Helix 6000. You can see here it's a very nice version of that, a glossy version of our Helix 6000, so we're launching that today, along with all the rest of that 6000 family. So our back-to-back AdBlue dispenser, our CNG back-to-back with the 6000. So, in terms of the Helix story that we talked about a couple of years ago, the journey really concludes now here at Unity, and we're delighted to be able to showcase the complete family of all the models of Helix. And you know what? Our customers, it's really resonating with them. For the first time, they can really see all the products together. They get the idea, they get the vision that we had all those years ago with Helix about developing a family suite of products that is really fresh, that's innovative, and something that's never been done before in our industry. And Wayne Fueling Systems, we're really proud to be the pioneers of such an advancement in terms of our product range. In addition to the fuel dispensers, an important area of our business is around our Fusion Forecourt control systems. And what we're demonstrating here is the next development of that, the mobile payment application. So be able to go to the pump, to refuel your car, and use, in time, your mobile device to be able to pay for that transaction. So we're demonstrating that here at our stand, and that's, again, getting a lot of positive feedback from our customers. They get the idea of Fusion as this box that is scalable with additional features and services over time, from a simple forecourt controller through to something that can really be the gateway to the site to enable you to transact with cloud-based payment systems. So 2 new products for us here at Unity, and again, customer reaction really positive, so we're really delighted so far.
Great, thank you very much, Damien.
No problem at all, thank you very much for visiting us.